I can't not be blown away by her. Like, it doesn't matter what she does. The moment she, I was going to say opens her mouth, but the moment she appears, you're completely captivated. You are just, hey, what's up? A-Aron here for reaction number 71, and I'm back again with Diana Ankudinova, and this is Blizzard from the You Are Super competition when she was 15 years old back in April 21st, 2019. Now, during this entire competition, she never got less than 4 buzzers, which is what you need to, advance to the next round. This competition was for disadvantaged children. And so, this is super exciting. I have not been anything but blown away by every single one of her performances. And I've been told this doesn't stop. This is how she continues. And so, super, super, super excited. Let's jump in. Blizzard, Diana Ankudinova.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга.
So she just randomly throws in the polyphonic sounds here and there and just, oh my gosh. Okay, so I wrote down some notes as it relates to the lyrics, but first things first, right from the get-go, we saw lights that kind of look like snow and, this dark, like, just her sound, like what she produces out of her mouth is truly alien. It doesn't even make sense. In fact, I think one of the judges said, how does she do that? It's unbelievable. But, this concept of the blizzard, the storm, it's a little bit cryptic, if I'm going to be honest. So I'm not sure I'm interpreting this correctly, but the way I'm interpreting it is it's kind of a metaphor for like overwhelming emotions and, like possibly turbulent relationships. It's kind of this engulfed by these strong feelings, perhaps isolation, coldness, right? And so, the concept of this storm that can't be escaped almost feels like it's kind of this internal or maybe even relational turmoil and experiences, right? So chaos, deep emotional conflicts, or challenging relationships. That's what I'm taking of it. And just once again, to me, the last, 30 seconds of that were just incredible, where I think there were two separate times that I caught, maybe, where she just randomly throws in a couple multiple tones, polyphonic. I think that's the right way to, or I'm not sure the right usage of it in the context of the sentence. But yeah, it's just, and overall her sound, and oh gosh, she's just incredible. And look, she's literally almost crying here. I mean, look at her facial expressions. And some of you in the last comments, for the last one I did, said that that's what she's known for. And I absolutely see that. It's unbelievable. I mean, she has tears in her eyes. Yeah, you hear a lower, like subtone in this phrase here. Again. I can't not be blown away by her. Like, it doesn't matter what she does. The moment I was going to say opens her mouth, but the moment she appears, you're completely captivated. You are just locked into her, and it's impossible to, I'm picturing today's society where everybody's glued to their phones, and it's impossible that the moment, there's a whisper of her presence, to not just put that aside and just be completely glued to her. Absolutely stunning, captivating. She is incredible. I'm so glad you recommended her, and I've stumbled across her, and I can't look forward to continuing this journey and exploring more of her. Thank you much. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so now, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.